my name is Jay. I am the chef at Lucky Robot. Here at Lucky Robot, we do Nikkei style cuisine, and that is Japanese Peruvian. Being in Texas, we've decided to encompass all of Latin America as well. So I've traveled extensively to Taiwan, and that's where I'm from. We are kind of a fusion cuisine as well, so a lot of Japanese influence. Taiwan is super close to Japan, so anytime I get a chance, it's a 3-hour flight. I go over to Japan and just eat up all the sushi and ramen. We're cooking a brisket fried rice. It's something I love to do at home, and it's a really simple way to incorporate something local into your daily cuisine. I was, really excited to work with Play Imports to be able to design a bowl that really highlights the food. In presenting food, it's a marriage between not just the food that is being served, but the plate needs to showcase and really highlight the colors in that dish. This color palette really lends really well to a lot of different dishes, from salads to ceviches to fried rice. I really just enjoy making people happy through food. It gives them a reprieve from their day. It really can transport them to a different mindset that allows them to let go of anything that might be bothering them that day. Here at Lucky Robot, that's what we do, and that's what I love about this industry.